School got you down. Let's break free and get you playing Roblox on that Chromebook, even if it feels impossible. First things first, let's tackle the elephant in the room, the dreaded blocked page. If you see this when you try to go to Roblox, don't panic. This video is going to help you get around it. Okay, step 1. Search the Chrome Web Store for unblocked games. We are looking for website proxies or virtual private networks VPNs to access the site freely. Take a look at the extensions, pay close attention to the ratings and the number of users. A higher rating and more users usually indicate a safer and more reliable option. Remember, proceed with caution when adding extensions to your Chromebook. Only download the most reputable options. Once you've chosen an extension, click Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear asking for permissions. Review them carefully and if you're comfortable, click Add Extension. Now activate your chosen extension. Usually, it's a simple click on the extension icon with the extension running. Try heading back to Roblox. Fingers crossed. You should now be able to access the site. From there, you can log into your account and start playing your favorite Roblox games. And most importantly, once you're done playing, remember to disable or remove the proxy or VPN extension. This keeps your Chromebook running smoothly and prevents any potential issues with school network policies. That's it. Now you can enjoy Roblox on your Chromebook. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and share it with your friends. Happy gaming!